Now, okay, before start to read, firstly you tell me what is poverty? Poverty क्या होती है? ये जो word है,
गरीबी।
yes,
हम गरीबी।
गरीबी।
गरीबी. Okay, poverty means गरीबी. Okay, आप लोगों ने अपने surrounding में you have to see so many people who live surrounding you. Just like a someone who जो कि एक मतलब कि झुग्गी झोंपड़ियों में रहते हैं, ठीक है, एज ए लेबर वर्क करते हैं, क्लियर. कुछ मीन्स बच्चे हैं जो अभी काफी छोटे हैं बट दे ऑल आर टू डू सम वर्क फॉर अर्निंग. ओके, वाई दे मतलब वो पढ़ते नहीं है बट काम कर रहे हैं, क्यों? बिकॉज दे बिलोंग टू द पॉवर्टी. मतलब कि वो गरीब है, काफी गरीब है. क्लियर. तो पॉवर्टी एज ए चैलेंज मीन्स जो गरीबी है वो हमारे लिए एक चैलेंज है. किसी भी देश की, किसी भी कंट्री की डेवलपमेंट के लिए पॉवर्टी जो है ये बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न, मतलब कि ये एक बहुत बड़ा अभिशाप है. किसी भी कंट्री को डेवलप होना है तो उसको सबसे पहले उस कंट्री में जो गरीब लोग हैं वो नहीं रहने चाहिए. सभी के पास 3 बेसिक थिंग्स होनी चाहिए, रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. यानी कि खाने के लिए अनाज, पहनने के लिए कपड़ा और रहने के लिए घर. These 3 things, these are the main basic needs. We all are need that. And those person have all that things, they are not belong to the poverty. Okay? और जिस कंट्री में पुअर पीपल्स नहीं है, दैट कंट्री कॉल्ड डेवलप्ड कंट्री. ओके, क्लियर. सो जो पॉवर्टी है, इट्स एज लाइक ए चैलेंज टू इंडिया, क्योंकि इंडिया में बहुत लोग गरीब हैं, बहुत. ओके, क्लियर. सो टुडे वी रीड this chapter. Okay, now Harshit, you start.
Yes, overview.
And everyone take pencil and put that on your book.
This chapter deals with one of the most difficult challenges.
Say loudly. Harshit, read loudly.
Yes, ma'am. This chapter deals with one of the most difficult challenges faced by independent India, poverty. After discussing this multi-dimensional problem,
क्या बात है, खाना नहीं खाया है? Harshit,
yes, ma'am.
जोर से पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am. Through examples, the chapter discusses the way poverty is seen in social sciences, poverty trends in India and the world are illustrated through the concept of the poverty line, causes of poverty as well as anti-poverty measures taken by the government are also discussed. The chapter ends with boarding.
No, Harshit, your sound is not audible.
Can I speak?
Okay. Okay, Gaurav Chaudhary. Firstly, unmute yourself. Gaurav, firstly, unmute yourself.
I'm unmuted.
Now read.
Government are also disputed. The chapter ends with the boarding the official concept of the poverty into human poverty. Thus, there could also be beggars with children in illustrators, we see poverty all India around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. This means roughly 2070 millions or 27 crore people in India live in poverty. 2011 or 12. This also means that India has a largest single concentration of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenges. Introduction. In our daily life, we came across many people who we think are poor. They could be landless, laborers in the village, or people living in overcrowded juggies in cities. They could be daily wage workers at the construction site or child workers in
dhabas. In dhabas.
In dhabas, they could also be beggars with children. In traders, we see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. This means roughly 2070 millions or 27 crore people in India live in poverty. 2011 or 12. This also means that India has the largest single concentration of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. Typical cases of poverty. Urban case. 33-year-old Ram Saran works as a daily wages laborer in the wheat flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He managed to earn around rupees 1,050 a month. When he finds employment, which is not often, the money or it not enough to sustain his family of 6 that includes his wife and 4 children aged between 12 years to 6 months.
He has
to send money home to his old parents who live in village near Ramgarh. His father, a landless laborer, depends on Ram Saran and his brother who lives in Hazaribagh for for sentence. Ram Saran lives in one room rented house in crowded basti in the outskirts of the cert. It is a temporary shack built of bricks and clay tiles. His wife Santa Devi works as a part-time maid in a few houses and managed to earn another rupees 800. They manage a merge meal of the dal and rice twice a day, but they are never enough for all the time. His elder son works as a helper in a tea shop to supplement the family income and earns another rupees 300, while his 10 years old daughter takes the care of younger siblings. None of the children go to school. They have only 2 pairs of one-handed me down clothes. Each new ones are bought only when the clothes become unwearable. Shoes are a luxury that younger kids are underestimated. They have no access
to when they fall.
They have no access to health care.
Okay, Gaurav. Now here in this chapter means we deal about the challenge about the poverty. Okay, and that poverty is in India. Okay, so here in this chapter we discuss the poverty is seen in social science. Okay, according to social science means poverty trends in India, the world are illustrated through the concept of the poverty line. Firstly means you know the poverty line and why it is occur. Means क्यों ये होती है poverty क्यों है? The main introduction is this. मतलब you have to see lots of people means most of the juggies means the word juggi is the means here the word juggi मतलब जो सिटीज है या टाउन है ना, वहां पर जो शहरों में अलग से झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में जो लोग रहते हैं, ठीक है, उनको बोला गया है झुग्गीज। आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि बहुत सी सिटीज में ऐसे होते हैं कि उन्होंने अपने कार्बन हाउस बनाए होते हैं ना, वो अपने कार्बन से जस्ट लकड़ी लगा के तंबू टाइप, मतलब उस वे में उन्होंने अपने घर बनाए होते हैं और वहां पर वो रहते हैं, ठीक है। आपने अपने सराउंडिंग नगरोटा में भी देखे होंगे ऐसे लोग, ओके। तो those persons who live in jhuggi and the most of the child workers who do work in ढाबा, ढाबा जो समझते हैं, ढाबा समझते हैं ना, सो मतलब जो ढाबे में काम कर रहे हैं बच्चे, झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में रहते हैं, दैट्स ऑल आर बिलोंग टू द पॉवर्टी लाइन। अब ये जो पॉवर्टी है, दैट्स टू टिपिकल केसेस ऑफ पॉवर्टी। वन इज अर्बन, अर्बन मीन्स, एंड सेकेंड वन इज रूरल, ओके। अर्बन मीन्स those people who live in city, ओके, जो सिटीज में, टाउन में गरीब लोग रहते हैं, उसको हम अर्बन पॉवर्टी कहते हैं, और जो गांव में है दैट्स कॉल्ड रूरल पॉवर्टी, ओके, इट्स क्लियर, दैट्स कॉल्ड rural poverty. So here give the example which one related to the urban case. In urban there is a person that is 33 years old and the name of that person is a Ram Sharan, okay, means यहाँ पर आपको example दिया है, क्लियर, कि हम किसको अर्बन पॉवर्टी और रूरल पॉवर्टी कहते हैं। So here is अर्बन केस में मतलब क्या है, किस पर्सन को हम पुअर बोलते हैं, that is means here is a story about a Ram Sharan who work as a daily wage labor. Daily wage labor means जो रोज काम करते हैं और जिनको रोज जो उनका हेड है वो पैसे देता है, ओके। सो डेली वेज लेबर इन ए व्हीट फ्लोर मिल, व्हीट फ्लोर मिल मतलब जहां पर गेहूं का आटा बनाया जाता है, ऑन दैट मिल, एंड दैट इज इन रांची इन झारखंड, ओके। वेयर इज दैट? दैट इज इन रांची इन झारखंड। मतलब कि ये जो स्टोरी है ये झारखंड के पर्सन की है। Here he managed around 1,500 a month, means his monthly income is 1,500. His monthly income is 1,500 and he finds employment. Employment means रोजगार, काम करना, okay, work. Then money is not enough. That's money means 1,500. क्या आपको भी सोचो क्या 1,500 rupees it's enough for them or enough for them? No, it's not enough. 1,500 तो आपकी स्कूल की फीस भी नहीं होगी, नहीं होगा ना, okay. So and that person has